Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and yes you do, you see a canning funnel. And this is my white Anita's metallic. This is Hot Orchid Prism Pour from Color Art, and this is a Modern Masters Venetian Blue. And they are all open. I have to decide what goes down first, and I think I'm going to, craziness. I'm going to use the Anita's White Metallic. I might be sorry. I think I'm going to also pull in a little bit of black enamel, because that almost always makes cells. And that might be a waste, but it might not. I have never done a funnel pour with Hot Orchid, at least not a copious amount. And this is a color that often sinks. And I'm very interested to see what happens to these two together. And it seems unfortunately a lot like red, white, and blue to me. So I am going to change my mind and throw a little bit of neon purple from Folk Art in there. And a little bit of dioxazine purple on top of that. Oh, to heck with it. I'm going to throw some gold in there too. Looks like a purple heart. I'm going to use my Princeton Art Tool #1. They're on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is under the link tree under the video. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. So thank you guys to everybody who's doing that. Because it was very good the first year, and it's not even 10% of that now. Because there's so much competition. Alright, so I did put some black enamel in there, which should help me make some cells. And I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, but also to help encourage the cells. And should I happen to need another color, I will use it. I'm happy that I see some of that blue. I'm not going to tip slow this time. I want to tip fast. I've been trying to contain myself and tip slow. I do have an edge catcher. I am going to try and get my paint as close to the edges as I can before using it. And I'm going to do my normal thing and use some paint to flow other paint. Which sounds like I feel guilty, but I really don't. I had a moment. So wherever the paint is freshest, it's going to flow the fastest and it's going to be the heaviest. And so that black paint really helped me move some paint closer to the edge. Now I can let some of that go right here and push it back again, which will expose some colors, because when you stretch out the paint, you expose the colors. I've got some beautiful cells. It doesn't matter to me that that black is on that edge catcher. It does matter to me that I'm completely, absolutely smitten with Hot Orchid Prism Pour from Color Art. Completely. I see the white in there and I really like how it looks, so it's making me feel like it would not be such a bad idea to have more of it. Although I don't think that smear is going to come off, so maybe it wants to be black and white. Before I go any further, I'm going to use my palette knife to encourage that paint to just meld and drop right over the edge. And I will put a little bit of black right over here. And because that's all white metallic, it's pretty sheer. So I will need that black. One of these days I'm probably going to pick up the purple instead because it's so dark. And every time I pick up the black, I wonder if I did this time. Alright, so an easy way to spread paint is with a straw. So right now I want an easy way to spread paint, so that's what I did. I am going to do that with the white metallic over here too, which I'm thinking is probably my new MO, because doing it without it, it's just not the same. I like to have a little more control. As I get close to that edge and I see that paint going over, I'm going to rock it, squeeze it, and send it back again. And then I have a covered edge. I wonder if I can do two things at once. I can, but I don't recommend it. I like that circle down there. I like the gold that I do see. Maybe I want some more of that. The gold, the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold often makes dendrite cells. It sort of spreads out and gets beautiful. Now whatever goes off I can rescue and put back on if I want to. It's so pretty on the edge catcher, it makes it hard to want to do that. I like to save them for other projects. Not that I have done one for a while, because I have not, but I'm getting ready. I think I want a little bit more of that right there. I hope I'm not wrong. Yes, I like that white line in there. It's kind of cool. I wish I had a little bit more of it. It may not stay, but at least I tried, right? Now all of this paint is really useful for going over the side. If I were left-handed, it would be handier. I am ignoring that bottom portion yet because I'm not sure what I want to do there. And I really want some orange up here. Orange gold. And I think I'm going to blow it around. Even though I sort of kind of destroyed my white space. All that should flow down into the design. And I have to decide what I want to do. I'll get my bottles out of my way so I can put my edge catcher down. So if I want more paint off of it, I can have it. I think I'm going to use my spatula right down through to make some of those tendrils just flow along. Because I don't usually do that, so that makes it kind of interesting. I hope. I'm not as thrilled about this white spot over here as I was. So I think I'm going to let it go and just leave a little bit of it behind. Any of the paint on my tile is all subject to being used. I think I'm going to do what I did. It's not beginner art, I guess, but it works for me. I'm going to pull this right over to the edge. Hopefully you can still see some of that. Use my palette knife to push it right up and then bring back the same layer from the other direction, making sure I cannot see any canvas. And I am contemplating adding some white there. And that is actually working. I am getting a little creative. That looks way too much like a fried egg. So let me grab some of that. And some of this. And I'm almost ready to call it good. I lost the majority of my beautiful cells, but I have some other really nice things happening. I think I might just give myself some permission to use some mysterious because I was called to it. I'm going to tip it the wrong direction first. Maybe blow some of it around. I like it with that blue. I don't know if torching is going to help me get anything else out of this or not. It does look like a very flowy piece. It makes me want something else in there for sure. How much time do I have left? I have a couple minutes. Maybe the orange I've been resisting is the answer. Maybe is yes. No maybe about it. I'm going to use a skewer. Just attempt, I'm still using the dull end of the skewer. Oh, it looks like I could blow into that and expose some neat things. Just rough up the edge a little bit. Pull some tendrils. Because why not? I like that a lot better than I did. I'm almost done. I love that hot orchid. A little black on the other side to lead the eye around, back and forth. Spiral for Sally. Spiral for me. Spiral for you. I'm going to worry about whatever my edge has to be dealt with afterwards. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys that I do sell my artwork. This will be for sale. I'm thinking that I'm very close, but I'm not certain I'm completely done. And I like that white. I'm giving myself permission to take chances, and I like the chances. I'm liking the results. I want more. That's all there is to it. I like adding little lines a lot. And you guys are almost gone. So check my Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. Check my Teespring clothing. That's my clothing under the video with my designs on it. And should you ever want a design, I have Find Out America and Teespring and Pixels.com are all places that I can attempt to add my work to. Yes, that fixed that. So, time to torch and time to tell you guys thank you for all the wonderful compliments. Thank you for all of the donations that help keep me painting. Should you be in a position to be able to help me keep painting and make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. What is that? Well, whatever it was, it's gone now. So I love you guys. There's over 91,250 of you right today. I'm really satisfied with how that turned out. I had to give myself some permission to keep moving. I got 1 minute left to ask you for a thumbs up. Can I please have a thumbs up? Thank you for watching my videos longer. It helps my standing on YouTube. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you for your comments. You keep my morale boosted. Do I want to do that? Do I really want to do that? Yes, I really do want to do that. I like the other orange. I like the two different oranges together very much. And that one is fine. Alright, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure to look for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and all my Facebook groups under the link tree that's under the video. You might have to open Show More. And what else should I tell you? I have over 1,800 videos organized by the 100 and also by the playlist. In all playlists, creative playlists by topic and genre. If you have questions for me, please ask me. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I love you. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla and Spring.